Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Shat, and today guys, for the love I have for you, I have decided to come up with another new product, and right here I'm gonna be presenting you by the name Kojic San lightening soap. So guys, I'm back. Guys, if at all you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting all the beauty tips with me right here, Shat, and the beauty queen. A brief intro regarding my product right here. It was discovered in Japan and it's a byproduct of malted rice. Kojic San, it's well known for its remarkable whitening effects. Secondly, it makes the skin light and clear. It removes the dark spots, acnes, pimples, stretch marks, and uneven skin tone. To show you how you're going to be using it to get the best clear results. So this is my Kojic soap. So if at all you have dark knuckles, kindly place it like this in the place where you see. This is my armpits and these are my dark knuckles. So I will just press like this, like this, like this. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And if at all you have like this, I have some dark spots on the skin, you can see that. Guys, you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it for some 30 minutes, then after I'll go wash it off. Yes, I'm back after 30 minutes. You can see I have already washed it off. You can see, you can see my habits. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips, because I'm gonna be having a lot about beauty. Guys, see you in the next video. Love you all. Ciao. Please, thanks for watching my channel. See you in the next video.